In our previous video, we have discussed about cyber crimes and cyber lawyers. In this video, I will be telling you about what are the different types of cyber crime. So hi, this is Nikhil Sharma. Let's start this video without any delay. Previously, they were mostly the banking fraud or financial fraud which were taking place, but as the pandemic has taken place and most of the people have turned to internet for the various things and the usage on internet has increased immensely, nowadays many and various types of frauds are circulating on the internet. One such thing is pink WhatsApp or fake Amazon Prime or other OTT platforms fake links in which they ask you to click on this link in order to watch any web series or movie for free without taking the subscription from the OTT platforms, and you can access the videos or movies from these links. These links are basically a fake link. These are the phishing links in which when you click on these links, you will be given access to the movies or web series, but your data will be hacked, your device will be hacked, and it will be used, and it will be your information, the essential information, basically name, address, detail, financial details, all these things, Aadhaar details, everything will be extracted, and the personal details will be extracted from your device, and all these things will be used in order to blackmail you. And they will ask you to share these links, or they will not even ask you. As your device will be hacked, they will send these links to your networks, to your contacts without letting you know, with your name, and they will ask other people also to click on these links in your name. So your contact, your people will be thinking that you are the one who is sending these links. So these are basically phishing links which works in background as well. If you are not using your phone or you are using any other app, but these links will work in background, and these hackers use these links to extract or to hack your device. So stop and avoid clicking on such fake phishing links and unknown and fraud links. You should not be clicking on these fake links. So stay aware. There is another such fraud which is going on in the net is the instant loan application. There are numerous instant loan applications present on the Play Store, which basically attract the youth because youth are in need of money for instant money. They attract the youth by saying that you can take loan even for a few thousand rupees or 500 rupees. In such loans, they ask your details, and as soon as you provide your details, your device, your personal details, everything will be hacked, and they charge or they ask for more money, like lakhs of money and thousands of money, and many suicides have been attempted by these youth as students as they are unable to repay the loans. There are various criteria hidden behind these, so stay aware and avoid using these instant loan apps. There are many fake messages also which roam around on WhatsApp, which we keep on forwarding it without knowing the authenticity of these messages. So stop spreading or forwarding these messages, as we don't know how secure these messages are. Basically, these messages are also a type of phishing which is used by the hackers. These are also fake messages which we keep on forwarding unknowingly, and that will result in intrusion in our device. So stop spreading or forwarding these messages. There was one such message which was revolving around during the COVID times, where it was mentioned in that message that if you want the corona vaccine at your place, so registered on this link, a person will be sent from the government side, and he will vaccinate, or he or she will vaccinate you at your place only, in which you were asked to provide some details about you, such as name, Aadhaar details, phone number, address. As soon as you provide your Aadhaar details, from your Aadhaar number, they can extract your financial or bank details. So stop providing these important information on the unknown links, as these are not secure. And from before downloading any such app or any such link, make it sure that these are secure and you are secure. Now, cybercrime can be carried out in two ways. One, in which the PC is the objective of the cyber assault, and this other one is where the PC or your device is used to do a cyber crime against any individual or element without your knowledge. The various types of cyber crimes are as follows. One, cyber stalking. Second, hacking. Third, phishing. Fourth, cybercrime against an individual. Fifth, splitting. Sixth, slander. Number 7, online fraud. 8th, spread of obscene material. Number 9, kid sex entertainment. Number 10, cybercrime against property. Number 11, transmitting virus into a device of the other person. And number 12, cyber vandalism. So in the end, as a law student, before getting to know about the laws or studying the law, you should be aware about basic awareness. You should be having a basic awareness about the cyber laws or cyber crimes, and eventually you should be making the common people aware or educate about these cyber crimes and the ways to protect themselves. As in the very future, as hearings have started taking place online, in the very future we will not be asked to go to the courts for hearings. You can do the hearings or the court proceedings at the comfort of your own place. So you should be also aware about how to behave online. So it is a must for a law student that we should be having such basic knowledge or awareness, and we should educate the common people as well. So this was all about this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.